guys, I'm Tina Tomato and I live in a 430 square feet studio apartment. Over the past year, I've made a lot of changes to my apartment, from the colors of the door to the art on the wall, even switched out a few furniture pieces and redid my entire closet. It took a lot of time, money, and energy, but I'm so glad I did it. Because how we do one thing is how we do everything. And I just want to try very hard to live a life that I want. So the entryway is probably one of my favorite areas in the home because it just looks so serene and welcoming. Sometimes I find myself admiring my blue door, even though so many people have told me not to paint it. And I also have a pegboard that I use as a landing station. As you can see, it has my keys, my public transit pass, my hat, umbrella, and things like that. On the other side of the entryway is my coat closet and my laundry unit. And I have all the laundry and cleaning supplies on the top shelf, my current coat and some spare hangers for guests, my shoes plus a few bags of stuff that I'm trying to get rid of. I love my kitchen and it's really spacious for a studio apartment. I have a separate kitchen tour where I showed what's in every cupboard, and basically there's a lot of storage. And I also have a built-in fridge, a stove, and dishwasher. But I usually like to do my dishes manually after dinner, using my over-the-sink dish rack that I got from Amazon. I have this large herb poster that I got from Decennial, and I use it to cover up my utility box. I think this looks amazing hanging over this counter high dining table, which gives this zone some kind of chill cafe vibe. Okay, now moving on to the main living space. This is where I lounge, sleep, do some exercises, meditate, and play my guitar, which never happens. Oh yeah, and the daybed is great. I have a detailed review video on it if you are interested. I repurposed this Kallax shelf by putting it on legs and installing some drawers and doors so that I can really take advantage of the storage capability. That way I can stay organized and keep a clean look on the outside. Project that I did last year was redoing my closet. It used to be this all-purpose storage space where I had a lot of stuff on the floor and it just looked really messy. Then I looked into the IKEA pack system and I measured, designed, and hired someone to install it for me. If you want to know more about the dimensions and the pack system, I have another video on it that explains all of that. Basically, I have all my off-season clothing in boxes and all my current season clothing are hung up, and all my loungewear, underwear, gym clothes are in drawers. One sec. Okay, you can come in now. So exactly 1 year ago, I uploaded my first apartment tour video. Since then, that video has gotten 100,000 views and my channel grew from 3 subscribers to over 5,000. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you, especially those who have been so kind and nice to me in the comment section. Thank you for all your encouragement. I really wouldn't have done it without you. So to pay it forward, I will be giving away a Google Home Mini. So to be honest, I got this Google Home Mini for free from a Spotify promotion. But I don't really need it because I already have a pretty kick-ass speaker and I don't want to cheat on Siri.
Yes, Tina?
Oh, nothing, honey. I love you.
I love you too.
So to enter this giveaway, it's very simple. You just need to do 3 things. Number 1 is to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And number 2 is to like and comment on this video. If you don't know what to say, it happens. Just tell me what is your favorite book and why. And number 3 is to follow me on Instagram at HeyTinaTomato. And that is where I will be announcing the winner. The winner of the giveaway will be randomly selected from the comment section, and I'll be picking the winner at the end of this month, which is April 30th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!